Have you ever wondered how scrap aluminum is recycled? It's a journey that starts with sorting. Clean aluminum materials can easily be sorted and separated for direct sale as a scrap commodity. But contaminated materials need extra care. Today, we'll explore the recovery of irony aluminum, the sweat furnace process of producing Remelt Aluminum Ingot, the Aluminum Dross Recovery Process, and the treatment of aluminum salt cake. Irony aluminum can be complicated. This term refers to aluminum waste mixed with steel, often from automotive parts. Separating them manually is difficult, so they're sold for recovery. The value depends on how much aluminum can be extracted. Now, let's talk about the sweat furnace. This specialized furnace separates metals with different melting points. By heating it to a temperature that melts aluminum but not steel, aluminum flows away from the solid steel. This molten aluminum is then poured into molds to cool into remelt aluminum ingot. The leftover steel is collected as furnace tin. So, what is remelt aluminum? This is recovered, remelted metallic aluminum scrap that is free of slag, dross, oxides, and other foreign metal types. Typical ingots weigh between 25 and 75 pounds, known as pigs. Larger slabs, called sows, vary from 500 to 2,200 pounds. Let's discuss aluminum dross recovery. Dross consists of slags and skimmings collected from melting aluminum. The recovery process involves melting the dross in a molten salt bath, typically in a rotary salt furnace. This allows solid metallic aluminum particles to flow together and are collected as remelt aluminum ingot. From this process, we also get aluminum salt cakes. So, what happens with aluminum salt cakes? These salt cakes are solid byproducts generated from the dross recovery process and contain aluminum oxides and residual salt. To extract the aluminum oxide, we dissolve the salt cakes in water to create a brine solution. This solution is put through a filtration that separates the sediment containing aluminum oxides. A desalination process is then implemented that separates the residual brine into clean water and solid regenerated salt. In summary, the recovery of contaminated aluminum items involves sophisticated processes to reclaim aluminum from various materials. By understanding these steps, we can appreciate the efforts behind recycling aluminum and its valuable components. Ready to learn more? Explore our resources and discover how you can contribute to aluminum recycling efforts. Please feel free to add your buy or sell listings for scrap aluminum recycling to the online exchange, waste.net. Find a market for your scrap, waste, or byproducts.